I already know this piece of steak is gonna be bomb. Oh my goodness.
That's Tasha, that's Steph. Let's go ahead and fill in the rest. We gon' eat a little, prank a little. Our story time is the best. Have you LOL when you click play? No, this ain't no clickbait.
What up, y'all?
Hey guys, it's Steph
and Tasha, and we back with a jacuzzi mukbang.
Jacuzzi Mukbang, y'all. Oh my goodness.
It's a little too much
First
soap
of all,
in here.
This feels good though.
Oops. Can y'all see the candles? Probably not.
Oh wait, our soap is like taking over our life right now, y'all.
I did a little too much, y'all.
So tell them what we have today, man.
So we got some ribeye steak. We have a baked potato. We have Brussels sprouts, bread. You know, Stephanie had to have some bread. And I got a little A1 sauce for the steak just in case it's not like my baby steak. We got some champagne right here, some rosé.
Yes, can you crack
And
that open so I can
let me pop that bottle. This shit's strong. Woo! There we go.
Yes.
Okay. It took forever for us to get this together, y'all, because the drain didn't work. He had to come replace it, and we had already got the food, but
we had so many problems.
it's all good. Thank you. Let's do this. You know how you do the arm? I don't know how to do it. Oh.
I like it.
Woo! I don't do champagne, y'all, but it's good actually.
So I hope you guys like this. We just wanted to try something different.
Yeah.
And yeah, this food definitely smells delicious.
Put that up.
How we gonna cut this like?
I was just planning on picking it up and biting it.
Oh, okay, go for it, babe. I'm gonna go right for a Brussels
Can I
sprout.
have a fork, please?
Let me get this. Very good.
Why your nose shiny? It's gold.
I did something.
Your nose is gold,
Shut up,
baby.
babe.
That shit cute though. Her nose is gold, but okay.
So this baked potato has sour cream, chives, butter, salt, pepper, and bacon bits.
I'm hungry, y'all. And I'm trying to go back to the casino.
Very, very good.
Tastes like wasabi.
No.
I was ginger.
So good. Y'all know I gotta deal with these rolls over here.
Grab me a piece of steak.
This is so good. This butter tastes like ice cream.
Really?
It's so good.
Okay. This steak popping. I'm hungry, y'all.
So good, yeah.
So this straight savage.
We didn't eat much today because we knew what we were going to be doing later. I think we're both really hungry. So for you guys that don't know, we've been taking a break out here in Temecula, California. We're at Pachanga Casino, Resort and Casino. So awesome. Customer service is bomb as heck. And y'all know I'm big on that. We've been having a great time. And we have been doing unedited vlogs on the vlog channel. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to our vlog channel. The link is in the description below.
If you want to see more jacuzzi mukbangs, like this video.
Yeah.
If y'all like us, like the video because it helps us. It helps the channel. And we would greatly appreciate it. If you don't like it, dislike the video. It'll help YouTube stop suggesting us to you.
Right.
That's my steak, baby.
This piece looks so good.
You got it, baby. Go ahead.
Did you even try your sauce yet?
What sauce? That means that she wants to try the A1 sauce. That's what that means, y'all. Stephanie asks questions when she wants something.
That's what it means.
I
But
have no
I feel
idea
like
why.
it's like, okay, yes. I already know this piece of steak is gonna be bomb. I can touch it and feel. When you cook a lot, you know. Oh my
Let
goodness.
me take this.
This is bomb. That is so good.
Woo. So I gotta get me another steak, y'all.
Here, babe.
No, I'm getting my own
You
piece.
sure? This is your piece.
No, all of it is. So anyway, we've had a lot of fun.
Yes, we have.
We're going home tomorrow.
So good.
Very sad about it. But y'all, we can't leave Elijah home for too long. I mean, he has somebody there with him, but we can't leave him without us for too long because he'll slack on his homework. Our cousin is watching him, but she ain't gonna make sure he does his homework like we do.
It's so delicious. I'm so happy about this. I was a little nervous because sometimes you buy, like, first of all, this meal was not cheap, you guys. And it's so annoying when you buy a expensive meal and it's not good.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
It's like, really?
Very annoying. And then I'm scared to buy food at hotels. Not hotels, but casinos. But we looked on Yelp. We're big Yelpers. And they had good reviews, so it was like, alright. So you guys, let me tell you what happened. Right before we came up. We put $100 into a machine. You know Stephanie don't usually put $100 into no machine. And Stephanie plays the lowest possible thing. Not all the time, but most of the time. The lowest bet. I pay the highest bet always. We playing on this machine together. And she's doing 30, you know, lowest bet, and then I'll do the highest bet. We just keep going back and forth. When it's my turn, her turn, we just do it. So it was her turn. She picked the second to highest bet, but she was thinking about picking the highest bet, but she was like, nah.
I was like,
So tell them what happened,
let me
baby.
try it. I was like, okay, let me do something risky. My hand was so about to be on max bet. But I hit second. I hit second max. What happened?
What happened to my steak, y'all?
No, what happened to my potato?
Did Stephanie eat my piece of steak again? Did you eat a piece of steak that was in there?
I thought that was mine. I thought that was a part of my old one. I really did.
Sorry. Mother. This is straight savage, y'all. I'm sorry, but we didn't get a steak knife. And I was not about to wait. Who likes their steak medium well? I do.
Damn.
I wasn't about to wait.
This thing's so good. It's 20 ounce. I know I've never eaten anything this big. That fat bomb. The fat's so good. The fat's so good you want to eat it, but you know it's wrong.
Oh, the potato's still here, baby. You just gotta dig. Dig for it.
You ate all the good pieces.
Oh. You ate on my steak? I've been eating your bread too.
Hey! I knew that bread was gone. I should be smashing.
Here. I'm sorry. I'm hungry. And I don't have no fork. Oh, yeah, I do.
Was there,
Stephanie.
did I ever give you the salt? Because we need some more salt on this potato right now. Okay. It's so good.
Wow. Woo! Let me turn this on real quick. Need some more bubbles.
Woo! Whoa! Yes.
Alright.
I don't know what kind of butter they use, but did you taste it? It tastes like ice cream. It's so good.
It's not
the same.
remarkable to me.
Yes, it is.
Not to me.
You're not tasting it.
How you want me to
Butter
taste it,
is
babe?
bomb.
How you want me to taste it?
You tripping.
No.
Did you taste it with like that?
Yeah, let me see that.
That shit is bomb.
It was good.
It's like ice cream. It's so good. If y'all know what kind of butter this is, if you eat butter that tastes like ice cream, let me know. Never mind. Don't let me know because I don't need to be getting hooked on. I know
Right.
it's bad.
It's probably
It's gotta be bad.
creamy butter.
I don't know.
Some people gonna be mad. You know, some people don't like when we share forks. I don't know whose fork is fork.
Oh yeah.
Whose, I mean.
Who's fork is fork? Oh, they got some bacon in here too? Mm-hmm. Ooh.
Bacon and it look like, oh baby.
Mm-hmm.
You almost spilled mine.
Oh, sorry. Oh, you got that sugar?
Yeah, I did.
So good, y'all.
I'm gonna take this bread.
We got some bacon pieces in there. Oh.
I'm about to sit on Stephanie's lap, y'all. To get closer to the food. I think I'm full.
Ooh, that tastes so good.
Is this a potato? That's Stephanie, y'all. If she wants something, is this a potato? Yeah, it's a potato. It's fun.
It really is. Let's see.
That's just gritty.
What I just ate,
How much fun?
babe.
What? Out there? I'll have that.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God!
You gotta be ready. You gotta eat that too. Ooh, that shit good.
I had some earlier. I just want some more.
Fat ass.
If you put that on the potato,
Fat. Ooh.
that's good.
Ooh. Hell yeah. So you was,
Let me get this.
you wasn't telling me what to do.
Excuse me.
Tasha over here, ready?
I didn't do it, but
Yeah, right.
if you dip the
You
bread,
sound like you did.
dip the bread in there.
It's so good. So good.
Bomb, y'all.
What's the name of the place? Some Oak.
Great oak.
Great Oak Steakhouse, y'all.
Good.
One thing I really love about I guess this resort and even like around, because we went around the town and stuff, people are really friendly. Similar to where we live now.
Yeah.
Very friendly. I like that. Cause I'm trying to be happy in life, y'all. I ain't trying to be arguing with people every day.
Right. Yeah, we don't have time. We don't argue with people anyway, but
I'm just saying.
we will.
Some people be living their life like that, like every day, just out here arguing with random strangers that you don't even
We
know.
don't have no choice. Yeah. Like road rage, for example. People really get steering wheel courage, okay? Behind the wheel courage. They be doing way too much behind the wheel. There's a etiquette, to honking your horn.
Right. You're not so.
Yeah, because it means you're stupid. Boop means, can you please? Oh, the lights turned.
Right.
You know, or hey, that's something. There's a whole There's a whole language.
If you go like this, that mean you want me to get out my car.
Yeah, and
And you trying to chit chat.
yeah, you should have a conversation.
Okay?
We wouldn't fight y'all. We just saying. Wow. Are you serious? Did you just take the meat off of that and you just grabbed the bone and sucked it?
So good. I did that.
Wow.
I did that. Wow.
Y'all see her?
Oh, that's good.
You doing this for views. What? Danielle gonna say something about long meat. It's Danielle and somebody else. It's a long piece of meat right here, y'all. Did you bite off this bag?
We both did.
I mean, not bite off it, but you like chew on it and then put it back? Oh, okay.
I nibble.
Oh, okay.
Throw it out.
Okay.
This shit good, y'all.
I mean,
Good.
you can't even see my head. Some of y'all like, I don't want to. Big head. You cutting that out, right?
No.
You doing too much.
Oh, look there.
No, I don't want to lick it.
Look.
No, I ain't licking it.
That there be good, y'all. Lick that.
Whoa.
Oh, the bone marrow. People actually eat that.
You savage, man. I ain't never seen her do a piece of meat like that, y'all.
Ooh, it's good. It's just so
It's
good.
so good. Shout out to Mello.
Mellow.
I'm full.
Okay. Thank God. I mean, you ate everything, so you should be.
I did?
Pretty much.
Wow. I'm greedy.
I was trying to get some potato.
I ate it all?
Yeah, I was like,
Babe, why you didn't eat faster? Because I feel like I'm real full. I must have ate everything.
I'm in here soaking with food, y'all.
That's Stephanie dropping Brussels sprouts in the tub.
Y'all know I'm dropping shit. I'm so messy. Ooh,
This was bomb.
this was really bomb. We were trying to decide what to get, and I'm so glad we stopped when we found the steakhouse.
Yeah. I didn't find it. You found it, didn't you? I love steak.
Yeah.
Yeah. You had to do what you had to do, right?
But yeah, I know you love steak,
Yeah.
so I was like, she gonna love this.
And I did. Who ate more, y'all? I feel
You?
like I did.
You definitely ate more.
I feel like you did, babe.
I just eat slower. What is this?
Meat.
Did you chew this up?
No. It seems like it's chewed up. It's
Yeah.
so soft right now.
Why you throw it back?
Because I didn't want to eat anymore.
We ain't got no topic, y'all.
Oh, we doing a meetup, y'all. We haven't decided what day, but we doing it in June. It's gonna get done. We're doing a meetup in June in LA. Probably at a bowling alley or something like that.
Doing something fun.
It's not gonna be any tickets. Somebody asked that or anything like that. It's not about that. It's just come if you want to. If you don't, don't come. We just gonna like go to the bowling alley, have some fun, bowl. Pool. If they got pool, we can play pool, drink, do whatever. We just trying to have fun.
Hit us up in our DM if you would come. So we can get a kind of a head count on how many people.
Yeah. Because then we could probably reserve a few lanes or so. I'm not even saying that for sure we're going to do a bowling alley, but I'm just saying we can reserve whatever we're going to do, for the amount of people that say they're going to show up. Oh, we got a cake. Oh, man.
Yummy.
This feels so good.
Yummy.
I don't even want to get out.
Okay. So, we got dessert, guys. Take a bite now if you want it.
So open your legs so I can get right here.
No problem.
Yeah.
Come on
Okay.
in.
So I'm gonna give my baby the first. Should I lift it up?
Need some forks.
Stand it? No, we can do this with a knife. How is it?
Oh, this shit is chocolate as heck.
Oh, it's chocolatey. This is probably the only. I probably ain't gonna have
There's
no more.
so many levels of chocolate on there.
Woo! Whoa!
Yeah. It's chocolate. I knew you
Doing
gonna hate it.
that.
I knew you gonna hate it. It is so rich.
Woo!
So rich. I need less of like the icing stuff. And more cake.
They doing too much.
Oh, that's not what I wanted to happen.
Oh, here.
See, when you're dealing with like a boy or
I'm
son,
not a boy.
they be doing too much.
Here,
And
babe.
you was just trying to like.
Let's make her Santa Claus.
You was trying to be cute. You was trying to be cute. She done.
Give her a beard and a mustache. Oh, baby.
Nah.
No.
You wanna play? You wanna
I'm
play?
so sorry.
Huh? No.
No, I'm sorry.
Come on, let's play. Let's play Snowface.
Oh, no.
Yeah, let's play Snowface.
See, Stephanie go too far.
That's what you want to do.
I don't want to play Snowface.
You look like you're on a hockey helmet. Look at the camera.
Hi.
This was so fun, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope people didn't get offended by it because some people, I can't believe you're in a jacuzzi with your breast out.
Really?
Somebody gonna say something. But I hope you guys
Ain't nothing wrong
enjoyed
with being in
it.
the jacuzzi.
This was really fun. The food was amazing. We had a great time. We just wanted to share
kind of out.
We just wanted to share part of our experience with you guys. So I hope you guys liked it as well.
Till next time.
Only good vibes.
Peace.